Hey everyone, welcome back to Camera Lab. Today, we're diving into the top 11 best camera for vlogging that are perfect for creators of all levels. Whether you're starting your YouTube journey or leveling up your content, I've got you covered with cameras that capture stunning video and crisp audio. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.
"4K Dual Lens Vlog Camera." The 4K Dual Lens Vlog Camera is an incredible option for creators who want versatility and quality in one compact device. With dual lenses, it lets you seamlessly switch between wide-angle shots and close-ups, perfect for capturing every moment of your adventures. Its 4K video recording ensures sharp, professional quality footage, while the built-in stabilization minimizes shaky shots. Lightweight and travel-friendly, this camera is ideal for vloggers on the go. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, making it easy to adjust settings quickly. Battery life is solid, and connectivity options let you instantly share your content online with friends and followers. 5K UHD Vlogging Camera. The 5K UHD Vlogging Camera takes your content to the next level with ultra-high-definition video that's crisp and vibrant. It features advanced autofocus to keep your subjects sharp and clear, even while moving. The camera's compact design makes it easy to carry for travel, events, or daily vlogging. Its flip screen display is perfect for framing selfies or vlog shots. Audio quality is impressive thanks to a built-in microphone with noise reduction. Connectivity options like Wi-Fi allow instant sharing of your videos. With long battery life and easy controls, it's ideal for both beginner and professional vloggers who want stunning video every time.
Sony ZV-1 Vlog Camera. The Sony ZV-1 Vlog Camera is designed specifically for content creators, and it shows in every detail. I love how fast and accurate the autofocus is, keeping your face sharp even while moving. It features a flip-out screen that's perfect for self-recording and framing shots. The built-in directional microphone captures clear audio, reducing background noise effectively. It shoots 4K video with excellent image quality and strong color performance. Sony built it with features like background defocus and product showcase, making it ideal for reviews. It's compact, powerful, and perfect for creators who want reliable, high-quality results. 8K Wi-Fi Vlogging Camera. If you want future-proof content, the 8K Wi-Fi Vlogging Camera is your dream tool. It shoots jaw-dropping 8K video, providing cinematic quality footage that stands out on any platform. The camera includes smart stabilization, so even active shots remain smooth. Its Wi-Fi capabilities let you quickly transfer videos to your phone or cloud for editing or sharing. The touchscreen interface is simple and responsive, and the camera supports high-speed continuous shooting for creative freedom. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it's perfect for travel vlogging. With long-lasting battery life and versatile shooting modes, this camera is built to impress both beginners and pros.
Flatic 6K Vlog Camera. The Flatic 6K Vlog Camera offers a great balance between performance and affordability for everyday creators. I really like how it captures detailed 6K video while remaining easy to use. The flip screen allows you to monitor your shots comfortably while recording. Its autofocus works well in good lighting conditions, keeping subjects sharp and clear. The camera is lightweight, making it perfect for handheld shooting or travel use. Battery life is reliable enough for longer recording sessions. It also includes basic stabilization for smoother footage. Overall, it's a dependable mid-range option for vloggers who want better video quality without spending too much on high-end equipment or complicated setups. Yatao 6K Vlogging Camera. The Yatao 6K Vlogging Camera offers high-resolution recording and sleek design for all types of vloggers. Its 6K video capability ensures footage is detailed, vibrant, and professional. The camera's built-in stabilization keeps your shots smooth during handheld filming. Its flip-up screen makes it simple to check framing and angles while vlogging. Lightweight and compact, it's travel-friendly without sacrificing features. Advanced autofocus locks onto faces or objects for sharp results. Audio capture is reliable and clear, perfect for capturing dialogue or ambient sounds. With user-friendly controls, Wi-Fi transfer, and durable battery life, the Yatao 6K camera is ideal for creators seeking a high-quality, portable vlogging solution.
Autofocus 64 megapixel Vlogging Camera. The Autofocus 64-megapixel vlogging camera is ideal for creators who want high-resolution visuals for both video and photos. I found this 64-megapixel sensor produces detailed images, perfect for thumbnails and social media content. The autofocus system works smoothly, keeping your subject sharp throughout recording. It features a bright flip screen that helps with framing and various lighting conditions. The camera design is compact and easy to carry anywhere. Battery life is reliable enough for extended shooting sessions. It also includes helpful shooting modes for beginners. Overall, it's a strong choice for anyone looking for high image quality combined with ease of use and portability. 5K 80-megapixel vlogging camera. The 5K 80-megapixel vlogging camera is a powerhouse for creators seeking ultra-high resolution and video quality. Its 80-megapixel sensor captures incredible detail, while 5K video recording ensures vibrant, professional-looking footage. Advanced autofocus keeps your subjects in focus at all times. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry for travel or daily vlogging. The flip screen makes framing yourself effortless, and built-in stabilization provides smooth, shake-free shots. Audio quality is clear and immersive, ideal for both dialogue and ambient sound. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you share your videos instantly. This camera combines performance, precision, and convenience, making it a top choice for serious vloggers.
4K 50MP Vlog Camera. The 4K 50MP Vlog Camera delivers stunning image quality in a compact, travel-friendly design. Its 50MP sensor produces detailed, vibrant photos, while 4K video recording ensures smooth and sharp content. Built-in stabilization reduces shaky footage, making handheld filming easy and professional. The flip-out screen is perfect for framing selfies and vlogging shots, while fast autofocus keeps your subjects in focus effortlessly. Lightweight and portable, this camera is ideal for creators on the go. Audio recording is clear, and the intuitive interface makes setting adjustments fast and simple. With reliable battery life and versatile features, it's perfect for vlogging beginners and pros alike. 48MP Travel Vlogging Camera. The 48MP Travel Vlogging Camera is designed for creators who prioritize portability and simplicity. I love how compact and lightweight it is, making it easy to carry anywhere. The 48MP sensor captures detailed images, while the video quality remains smooth and clear. It includes a flip screen that helps with easy self-recording. Built-in stabilization reduces shakiness during handheld shooting, which is great for travel content. Battery life is decent for day trips and short sessions. The controls are simple and beginner-friendly. Overall, it's a reliable option for travel vloggers who want a lightweight, easy-to-use camera for everyday content creation and casual filming needs. FHD 75-megapixel Vlog Camera. The FHD 75-megapixel vlog camera focuses on delivering extremely high-resolution photos along with decent video quality. I found the 75-megapixel sensor produces very detailed images, which are perfect for thumbnails and social media posts. While it records in full HD, the video still looks clear and suitable for most platforms. It features a flip screen that makes vlogging easy and convenient for beginners. The camera is lightweight and simple to operate, which is great for new creators. It's also budget-friendly, making it accessible for many users. Overall, it's a good entry-level option for basic vlogging needs.
And that wraps up our list of the top 11 best camera for vlogging. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect camera to create stunning, professional quality content. Remember, each of these cameras offers unique features, so choose the one that fits your style and needs. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for pricing and more details. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another Camera Lab product review.